In order to use the Microsoft export module, you first need to enter into the scheduling area of the system. Once you're in the scheduling area, you will see at the top of the screen you have an export icon that's available. This can be accessed from any of the tabs. When you select the export icon, you get a new screen up with some tabs to navigate to. Basically, these are filters. So the first tab is the export tab, and what we have here are the number of days ahead that you want to look at. So you can either select the actual quarter, half year, next 90 days for example, or we can select everything, so the total of everything that's on the plan. The next tab along is the customers. So you can see that at the moment they're all selected, so if we deselect them using the tick at the bottom, we can now select a specific customer if we want to. The next tab is components. So what we can view on this screen are all of the works orders for that selected customer. We can either leave them all if we need to export everything out, or again we can untick them and select specific works orders that we might be interested in by double clicking. If we want to go down to specific work processes, we can during the Works Process tab, or specific workplaces on the Workplace tab, or subcontract using the Subcontract tab. We're going to say that we want to export those jobs out, so all we need to do now is click the Save icon at the top of the screen. Once it's exported those into a Microsoft project file, a new icon will appear which says Open, and we can now go and open that Microsoft project file, provided we got Microsoft Project 2003 or above running on the same PC. So here we have the Microsoft project file. We can see the different operations for the different jobs that are held within it. This is basically an immediate snapshot of that current time that it was exported. It is one direction, so you can't actually make any changes in the Microsoft project file and send it back into the scheduler. However, you can make changes to the Microsoft project file, add things in, and use it in exactly the same way as any other Microsoft project file, and then you could use the file, save as, and go away and save that file as something that you want to use, and you could then print it out or email it off internally or to customers. So it really is as simple as that. It needs minimal amount of training, as you can see. It's very intuitive, and really it's based all around the filtering.